let's learn a movement called the boomerang. The boomerang. Let's think about that arch and relax movement for a second while you're lying on your side. Oh wait, we need to adjust the light. Oh, there we are. Okay. So we can do this gentle arch and relax movement as you're just resting there. As you take a breath in, could you arch your back, begin to arch your low back and let the belly open and the front ribs open. And as you exhale, coming back to relaxed, and just squeeze a little bit of air out and close the front, like you're just a little bit closing the front, pulling bow tie and belt buckle together, or bow tie and belly button gently. And then air is out, the long breath in, arching the back, open the front. And maybe for extra credit, could you squeeze, as you're opening the front, squeeze a little bit of air out to close the back. Helps push the front forward. Little breath into the back, as now you're squeezing the air out of the front, with the back open as you close the front. Okay? Now, this one is a nice movement. This is called the boomerang, and it's a little bit like you're on a swing set, and you're pumping, trying to go higher and higher on a swing. And let's learn all the parts. So, let's think about the lower half first. Imagine you're a mermaid, you just have one big flipper down there. So keeping the knees where they are, just begin to let that flipper sort of come forward. Both feet come forward together, sort of stacked over each other. And as they open forward, just push those heels away from the back of the knee. Pull the toes up toward the knees as you straighten the legs and lock the knees. Let the knees open up right like that right there. Maybe even have a nice little bit of stretch in the back of the knee. Okay. Now, just keeping the knees where they are, begin to bend the knees and pull the heels back behind you. Okay, that's what the knees are going to be doing. They're pulling back. And now, right as you're pulling the heels back and pulling the toes back behind you, just arch the back a little bit. And how does that fit together? As you arch your back and pull your back belt loop up higher up the back and sort of pull those heels toward your low back. And as the low back rounds, and the front of the body closes a little bit, and you lower your back belt loop away from your back. Just reach on out, and maybe push those heels away from you just to have the slightest little bit of lengthening. And this low back rounds and lengthens to give the pelvis and the hamstrings some length to go all the way that far. Okay? Let the knees come back to rest. Okay? Now let's try the upper half of the boomerang. Hand is on head, elbows up to the sky. And as you take that gentle arch in and push the belly forward, just bring that shoulder back a little bit and let that elbow push back. Shoulder pushes back behind you and elbow pushes back behind you. Okay? And as you squeeze some air out just a little bit from the front and start to take a little bit of a breath into the back, let that elbow and shoulder go forward. You could even push that elbow out, way out past in front of your nose. As your front closes and you breathe up into your back and open the back. Little breath into the front to start the opening front. Squeeze some air out of the back. And as you arch that back, can you pull shoulder toward the center of your low back arch? Perfect. And just lift that hand off the head a little bit and bring that wrist back behind you and that elbow back behind you. Could everything pull toward that low back arch? Just pleasure, just like that. Close up all those ribs, okay? Now, starting to close the front of the body and breathing into the back of the body to open the back and exhale from the front. Keep that breathing cycle going. Have that hand reach out in front of you. Really reach on out and reach on out like that and close the front of the body to get that hand to go further. Okay? Breath in and arch, elbow and shoulder pull back. And just pause there, come into it a little bit. Bring those heels back and pull those heels and toes back toward your low back. And as everything pulls toward the low back, just make that feel like a lovely yawn. Not too much effort. Even the feet could even be down. Let's say they're just resting like that. That's that. Now going all the way. You're making a boomerang shape. The feet come out in front of you as the arm goes out in front of you, just slow. Close the front, breathe into the back, breathe those ribs open right there. Look at where there's a line of constriction in the back. Okay, it's like you're pulling the swing. You're swinging forward. Your heels are going back under you. You can do this when seated. The knees bend. The shoulder pulls back as you arch your back and close, and that back belt loop pulls up, and everything pulls toward the low back. Could you find all that sweet spot? Fill in that missing spot. Okay? Reaching all the way on out in a beautiful movement. Can you be aware of how the space changes? What's opening? What's closing? Arm reaches in front, feet reach forward. Move your back as far back behind you as you can. That. And then yawn that. Maybe this might be a good one in the morning. It's a little bit red light here, and now we're going to go all the way green light. A beautiful yawn. The knees pull back. That's it. And bring it on back, and the head rolls back. The nose turns up to the sky a little bit. Nose turns up to the sky. About that. Find some beautiful line right there. And then going all the way red. Closing the front of the body. Even let the nose roll down to face the table a little bit. Squeeze the air out and make that feel small. Okay. Last one maybe, last cycle. Coming in, that breath in and that beautiful arch pushing back. And find, where's it missing? Can you find something new? How is it wrist and elbows, and find this, the rotator cuff muscles in the back of the shoulder, can they pull in some sublime contraction? Just make it, it's like a symphonic crescendo of effort. And now the last one, you're just breathing into it, not a big stretch. Just get all that stiff stuff to move in a way that your brain will accept it. There we go. All right, now come back and rest. The knees are stacked up and the feet are on the table. And that upper hand is on the head, elbows up to the sky. And now after the boomerang, let this shoulder come forward. Shoulder comes forward. And then shoulder goes back. Really think about shoulder pushes back, then shoulder pushes forward. How do the ribs turn as you shine your bow tie down toward the table? Let those ribs turn and bend, and just notice what you've got now. There we go. Okay. How about lie down on your back? Here's this under your feet. And here's a pillow under your knees. Okay. How's that? Mm-hmm. Now look at, after the boomerang, look at that.